Hello folks, for another video. So today I will show you a simple way to make money with making logos and selling it online without skills and without effort. And this is just the part 1 and I will make the part 2 after this video. So if you see me in the first time, my name is Sad. I run this channel uploading daily videos about making money online with different businesses with all transparency and simplicity. So if you're interested, I will much appreciate it if you smash that red button and hit the notification bell to be the first one who see my videos. And like I said, stop overthinking and start doing. So today we will use drop servicing. So what is the drop servicing? Drop servicing is a practice of selling a service to a customer for a certain price, let's say $100, then hiring someone else to provide the service for the client at the lower price, $15, and you will get the difference without the client knowing you outsourced the project. It's like drop shipping by another way. You don't drop ship products, in this case you drop services. And also this business is like new, it's not saturated yet because a few people doing it, so you have a big chance making a lot of money if you're doing it right. Now, we all know that a lot of people start businesses online because of the COVID. Of course, all these businesses needs logo. If we search for how to make a logo in just the US, more than 12,000 people searching for this. How to make your own logo, 3,600. How to make a logo for free, also 3,600. How to create your own logo, 2,400. So there is a good search volume of this keyword, and this is just in US. So people are searching for a logo for their businesses, and one of the best marketplaces of making logos is Fiverr. So if we open Fiverr and search for logo, we have more than 248,000 results. If you see this number competitive, remember that Fiverr have a huge monthly traffic. More than 60 million users visit this website every month. Of course, from these users are sellers too, but Fiverr have a huge opportunity, and there is some people making thousands of dollars every month just making logos like this. For example, this freelancer have 4,683 review. If we check this number and multiply it to just $25 without other packages, we have $117,000, and that's really crazy. If we see how long this freelancer work on Fiverr, it's been here from 2018, so for just 2 years this freelancer made more than $100,000. Let's divide this number on 3, we have $33,000 every year, and if we divide it to 12 months, we have $2,800 every month. I think you can live with this amount of money. And also this freelancer have 214 orders to make at this moment. So if we take 214 and multiply it by the $25, we have $6,000 in one day. Yes guys, one day this freelancer make over $6,000. And of course these numbers will double it every month and every year, because every day hundreds of people needs logos for their businesses. So the method is like this: you just put a gig on Fiverr, a gig for making logo, and I will show you how you can find those logos in with easy and simple steps. So you post a gig on Fiverr to making a logo, and try to make your gig more professional and look great to attach the client's eyes, and after I will show you how you can create stunning and beautiful logos with easy and simple steps and without doing the basic drop services. So I will show you a website give you more than 600 templates you can use. Like you see, create stunning logos and branding pack in minutes. No expensive designers and no complicated softwares. In 1 minute you can create a unique logo with free commercial use. Like you see here, over 600 templates with all files needed. You can edit them with your Illustrator, Photoshop. Also you have the JPG and the PNG files. Also here they mentioned the problem of high prices in Fiverr, and the website needs 3 steps to create your logo. The first one is browse logo ideas by industry. The second step is change the colors and the fonts and make the logo as the customer wanted on Fiverr, and the final step is to save and export your file and give it to the customer. How simple is that? The website work like this. Here in left you have the templates, you just choose anyone and you have more than 600 templates ready to edit. Just choose the one you want and start edit it like this, and when you finish, save and export the file with any format you want. So this is not like the basic drop servicing, so you don't need money to start, you just need this website and Fiverr, and you will able to generate a good income. And we all see how much freelancers make on Fiverr do the same work you can do. It's easy and simple, and anyone can do it even you don't have any design skills. So the link of the website you will find it in the description below. It's easy and simple, and you can make it the number of logos you want. You can make until 100 logos a day and more. And if you find this video helpful and you benefit from it, I will much appreciate it if you subscribe to the channel and give the video a like for the algorithm of YouTube, and see you in the next one.